Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download the TikTok Live Studio on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up your favorite browser and then in the search bar, search for TikTok Live Studio. Next, go ahead and open the first web. Once it's open, simply click on Download for a window. Next, choose the location where you want to download or save it. And then just simply click on Save. Wait for the downloading process. Once it's done, click to open it up. A pop-up will open. Now, click on Customization, and if you want to change the location where you want to install it. And then click on Install Now. Now, wait for the process to finish it. Once it's done, you have an open button, click on it, wait for the app to open. Next, you just simply need to log in with your TikTok account to use it. And that's it. You have to download the TikTok Live Studio on your PC or laptop. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.